Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Bukhari. I'm a practicing physician in USA, Illinois. So today we will discuss that how the standard ECFMG certificate look like. A lot of times, medical students and medical graduates, they ask me that how the ECFMG certificate looks like. ECFMG certificate is a certificate which you get after you pass your USMLE Step 1 and Step 2 CK exam, and you also meet the requirement for communication skill. So once you pass OET exam, also you are eligible to apply for ECFMG certification. And today we'll discuss, I'll show you that how the ECFMG certificate look like. So this is a standard ECFMG certificate, and you can see that I cut some of the information here just because of the copyright reasons. But the standard ECFMG certificate look like this, and all the applicants who meet the requirement for this certification, they can apply for this certificate. The international medical graduate, they also have to pay an outstanding charges on their financial account before they get this certificate. So if you have any outstanding charges on your account, you have to pay before you get this certificate. The standard ECFMG certificate, it is issued to the applicants approximately 2 weeks after all these requirements have been met. The date that the standard ECFMG certificate is issued is the date an international medical graduate is considered certified by ECFMG. So you can see the date of issue is a date which is considered when international medical graduate is considered certified by ECFMG. So most of the time, ECFMG send the standard certificate to the applicant address of record by FedEx. Now let's see what ECFMG certificate includes. So first, it includes your name here, name of the applicant, and then there will be certificate number. I hide it because of the copyright reason. And then how the exam requirements are met. So USMLE Step 1 is taken, USMLE Step 2 CK is also taken, and the dates are mentioned. And then you can also see the ECFMG clinical skill pathway is also done, is mentioned there. And then the date when the certificate is issued. And then the valid date for the certificate is also available. So this is the standard ECFMG certificate which you will get once you meet that educational requirement for ECFMG certification. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.